Okay, hey, my name is Gary Cleveland. Where you guys been? What's up? Okay, sorry about the delay. I've been busy. I have been busy. I got a lot of things I want to tell you guys about real quick. This is my band, Sacred CASHCOW, right here. This is what's been taking all my time. Okay, what do we got? All right, first thing. My P.O. Box. P.O. Box 1713, Carolina Beach, North Carolina 28428. I told you guys, send anything. I'll hang it up in the jam room if it's cool. This is the first thing that's been sent in, and it's laminated. This thing is getting high priority, man. This is going on the door. The artist wants to remain anonymous, so whatever, it's somebody that sent something in, first thing sent in, and that is pretty sick, man. I couldn't do anything like that. I like drawing and painting, but not like that, man. That's some good stuff. It's going right on the door. So that's it. If you got your anything you want to send in, hang on the jam room, send it in. P.O. Box 1713, Carolina Beach, North Carolina 28428. Second thing, the trick. Name the trick. That opening right there, the name of that trick is the Airstrike. That name is courtesy of Lukas C. The Airstrike. That's what we're going to call that. I'll put a tutorial for that. If you want to learn that opening, the Airstrike. There you go. All right. Very cool. A lot of good suggestions. Tons of good suggestions, but whatever. Airstrike is good for that one. Next thing, this knife. This is the Benchmade 259B that I've had for about a year now. Man, I've been holding on to this thing. I'm going to sell it. I've tried to sell it on, I put a listing up on eBay. It got pulled right away. I put a listing on the Mighty JD. Well, you know what? Turns out the Mighty JD is basically just a bunch of egos stroking members and members stroking egos. So, no, but, you know, whatever, man. I don't have time for either one of those. So, anyway, if you want to buy this knife, send me an offer. Original Benchmade 259B. Very heavy, very hard to find. Whatever. If you want to make an offer, make an offer. And the other thing, what else do we have? Oh, yeah, okay. So my band, this is what's taking all my time, is getting up to speed with these guys. If you want to check this band out, find us on Facebook, because we just live streamed on, whatever, oh, good Lord. If you want to see live streaming punk rock coming out of this room, tune into Sacred CASHCOW on Facebook. Find us. The logo, it looks like a $sign kind of. You'll find it. Sacred CASHCOW, you know, whatever. All right, you guys stay tuned. I will have more stuff coming up more frequently than this, and new trick coming up soon. You guys stay tuned. Stay cool. All right, Lukas C, Airstrike. We're all stoked. See you soon.